This video is about why I would encourage you as my viewer to start your own YouTube channel, to grow your business, or to create like a resume for yourself, for your future self. You know, when it comes to social media, there are many people that don't see or don't leverage it in a way that they can benefit from it by creating, other than just consuming. You know, I started this channel with my intention was to encourage other people, especially men, to start businesses. And that is still my vision for this channel, encouraging men to start their own businesses. But I've also been intentional with the channel because I'm using it and using social media generally to promote the business that God gave me. Not only am I using this platform to encourage other men to start their businesses, but also I use it to leverage it to promote my business, which is the exterior cleaning business. I know you may not see the power of these platforms, especially YouTube. YouTube is one powerful tool that has changed a lot of things about me. Of course, I've improved how I communicate, how I talk to people. I've gained a lot of experience in how to use the platform, what type of content to create for my audience. There's a lot that you learn when you start your own channel. So I'm encouraging you as maybe a business owner, you're thinking about starting a business, why you should consider leveraging social media, especially YouTube, to promote your business, to promote whatever you're working on. Even if you're employed, just think about it. Let's say let's say you're an engineer, or let's say that you're a carpenter. Let's say you are maybe a mechanic. Let's say whatever you're doing out there, what if you leverage YouTube to promote what you do, to tell people what you do? If you can never know, you can land a good job by showing what you do. You can land contracts by people knowing that this is what you do. Because the thing is, with YouTube, you're like leveraging that platform by creating one content, and I'm saying like creating one video that could be seen by many people, by masses. It's not the same thing if you would literally go door to door to look for these people to watch your video. So just think about it. You create once, whatever it is, whatever content you create it once, one video, but it's seen by masses. We've never lived, me, I'm born in the early 80s. These are things we never experienced as we grew up. But now we have these tools where you can literally leverage to expand yourself through time, like leverage that platform and stretch your time, whereby people can, you could probably pay a lot of money to, let me say, conventional advertising, where you print flyers, maybe you do business cards, then probably you have to pay postmen to go and deliver them, or even you yourself driving door to door to drop them off. That is time consuming. Also, that is a lot of money. And yet we have these free platforms, free platforms where you can literally grab a camera, even from your phone, the phone that you have. You can use your phone and record content and then post it, and people will know exactly what you do. People will know if you have a business. People will know. People will also want to learn from you. People will learn to learn from you. Just imagine, there's a lot of experience that you do have, that there's someone who is maybe younger than you, someone who is just starting out in life, who would love to hear what you have gone through, what is your experience. So not only do you promote what you are trying to do, but also you're encouraging or holding someone's hand and walking with them on that journey. So I would encourage that you could start a YouTube channel, but be intentional about it. What is the purpose of it? Are you promoting a video? Are you promoting a business? Do you want people to know what you do? What is the purpose of the content that you're trying to do, to try to create? If you have intention in everything that you're trying to do, there's a lot that you can achieve. So just think about it. So I will encourage you. It is free to start a channel. It is totally free. You can even start a channel on your phone. You can start a channel on your laptop. You can start a channel on your desktop. But just be intentional. What do you really want to do with that channel? And then start posting. But also you need to be consistent. You need to be consistent. Because the thing is, what fails most YouTube channels, it is because there's no consistency. There's no consistency. If you decide to post, let's say, a video every week, be consistent. Post a video every week. Try to post a video every week. And before you know it, there's what is called compounding. And they usually use it when it comes to financial terms, like compound interest. Before you know it, your compound, there's a compound effect over time. One video becomes 2, 2 become 4, before it 3, and before you know it, you have 10, 20, 30, 100, and you can never know which of these videos will blow up. You can never tell which of these videos can change your life. So, leverage YouTube to promote a business, to promote whatever you do. If it is you're employed as a carpenter, if you're employed as a mechanic, employed as an engineer, electrician, record videos. Just record. And it is you who decides what you want to post. If you don't want to post something that you think maybe it is embarrassing, you don't post it. But one thing that I've learned is, it's not bad to be embarrassed. It's not really bad to face embarrassment. Sometimes we think we need to be perfect. You see other people. For example, right now I'm just free, just talking freely, just in having a walk. Sometimes we think, oh, people are going to judge me. People are going to, would they even want to watch such a video? But really, those are things that limit us actually from ever recording a video. And sometimes you may think like that, and yet other people are exact where you are in this very moment, where they're overthinking it, where they're not creating but they're consuming. So I would encourage you, start a channel today. Start a channel today. Maybe you don't have something you think, oh, maybe people will be interested in watching. But just think about it. How much experience do you have? How much have you learned? How much have you learned over years? There are people that are younger than you. There are people that they're just starting out in life. Maybe you graduated. And there are people that are just starting their university journey. So there's a lot of experience that you can share with someone out there, but you're creating a resume. a resume that is tangible, and also for your own records. You can never know. One day you can look back and say, wow, what a journey. So I'd encourage you, think about it. Start a channel today. I started mine and things are working out well for me. Not only to promote my channel, I'm sharing my experience with other people. I'm impacting lives. Just think about it, you can impact lives right from wherever you are. You can create a video in Africa, Asia, you can create a video in Latin America, Europe, wherever, and people will see it all around the world. So think about it. Start a channel today, and you thank yourself. You thank yourself, and a few years from now, that you started it. So be encouraged. If you want more videos on business, becoming the best version of yourself, consider subscribing to this channel. I'm going to share everything that I've learned, that I'm learning, the experiences I'm having, the behind the scenes of my business. So consider subscribing and liking this video and sharing with other people. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.